Welcome to Helical Insight training videos. Hello everyone, here is another video explaining a new feature introduced in our open source BI product Helical Insight version 5.0 onwards. So from this version, we have introduced the concept of recycle bin. This has the same functionality as any ordinary recycle bin on any of your devices. So now if you delete any report, dashboard, folder, metadata or data source connection, etc., it will not be removed completely. Instead, it will get stored in recycle bin. From the recycle bin, it can be deleted completely or can be restored by the admin. This functionality is especially useful in case if a user deletes some resource by mistake. So with the help of this new feature, the admin can restore it. You can find the recycle bin feature on the home page here. In the top are various tabs and the second is the recycle bin, and that we will be discussing today in detail. So when you click on recycle bin, you will see all the resources that have been deleted. Also other details like which date it was deleted on, by whom it was deleted, the type of the resource, like it's a file, user or data source, or you can even scroll to the next page and see more types and more resources. We can see that there are folders also here. The actions that can be performed on the resources and more details about the resource can be seen on this recycle bin page. Let us see them one by one. By clicking Restore button, you can restore the file to the path where it was originally located. For example, if I select any of the file from here, let me sort it according to the date it was deleted on. So I will select this date and I will I want to choose this transfer folder. If I select restore, you will see a notification coming on top that the resource has been restored successfully. To verify, we will go to the file browser and refresh it and scroll to find where the transfer folder has been restored. So here is the transfer folder that has been placed due to the action of restore. The second icon is delete permanently icon, which will permanently delete the selected resource and cannot be restored in future. So select this only if you genuinely wish to delete some resource from here. The third icon is of ownership transfer. Using this, you can change the ownership of the file or folder from one user to another user. This is more specifically useful when the user has been deleted and we want to restore that particular resource and change ownership. Let us take an example to understand how it works. Here, if you see that these resources are having different users like HI user, HI admin. So if I want to restore any of these files which are having different user with restricted rights, then I will have to change the ownership of these resources. So let us take maybe test 4. So we will select ownership transfer and from here we will select HI admin as this has all the admin rights. We'll select OK and it will show that successfully the ownership has been changed. Now, just to show you the difference, we have changed the ownership of test 4, not for test 3. If I press restore for this, it is successfully restored because that user is there. But in case that user has been deleted, then we cannot perform such actions. So we had to perform this ownership transfer action. Now, if we restore this, it will be restored in the HI admin page. So if we go to file browser and refresh this, we should be able to see test 4, or we can simply select it last modify sorting. So test 4 has been uh, restored here. Where did that test 3 go? It has gone to the HI user. It has been restored at that path because that user is still existing. So here one thing to note is that the ownership transfer can happen to all the resources, all types of resources, folder, file, data sources, except users, because ownership transfer has been disabled for such type of file. Next in the blue color is you can see the more info, which will show you more information like owner ID, by whom it was deleted, it was the same details with some extra details which might be useful in some way. Above all these, you will see few other options, that is refresh, restore selected, delete selected, and empty recycle bin. Refresh will refresh and show the latest content. For example, if you have already recycle bin open in front of you as admin and then someone else working on another system deletes a folder with full rights, so you will have to either refresh entire web page or simply click on refresh button to show the updated list. These two buttons, restore selected and delete selected, are by default disabled, but once you select any of the resources from here, these get enabled, and hence restore selected can restore multiple selected files, and delete selected will delete multiple selected files. Empty recycle bin will permanently delete all the content present in recycle bin permanently, and hence it will be cleaned. So usually what happens is that over a period of time, as users delete more and more things, the recycle bin will become more and more heavier, which can also affect the performance. Hence, an admin should always keep on checking the recycle bin and delete things which are not required or do a complete cleanup. Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming Helical Insight expert.